mag Baringo en piny owacho medo golo singo mar chwalo jopuonjre duto ma pacho ka koa e sikunde mag primary nyaka e sikunde mag junior secondary e bwo chenro mar somo manyasani mar CBC.
Jangoro mongiore migawo mar somo marango chenro mag somo Profesa Fatuma Shege wacho ne piny owacho segero klese kod kuonde jot mag jopuonjre kaka achiel kuom yore mag neno ni chenro no odhi kare kendo jopuonjre maromo 1.2 milion chwale junior secondary higa manyien dwe mar achiel.
Shege mane owuoyo e sikul ma Kerugoya Municipality Private Junior Secondary kama nolime klese mag CBC e kaunti ma Kirinyaga wacho ne kata sikunde mag ji giwegi oyienegi dhi mbele gi chenro mar junior secondary bang' luwo chenro moketi gi migawo mar somo ma pacho ka.
Nationally, we are expecting to have 1.26 million in junior secondary schools. And if you have been following very closely, you will notice that the first focus was in actually creating infrastructure in the public schools before even the primary schools came in. And we've been doing that since January. We had 2 phases of classrooms, and the second phase is almost complete. It was discovered that we do have many secondary schools that had classrooms, some of them many classrooms. I witnessed one that had 10 classrooms, and there are no children in there. So there was no need to build there. However, there were schools that had deficit and others that had just enough. So those classrooms were being built first